everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be focusing on all the things I forget to clean on a weekly basis. So I'm just going to be tackling them in this video so you can either clean along with me or watch to get motivation. So one of the areas I forget is always behind the radiator. Dust normally builds up in that area quite a lot. So one of the main things that I always forget to clean is this part of the door. I always clean the other part of the main part of the door, but I always forget the base. You know that edge, like the right end of the tiles of your shower, like that part, I always forget to do that. Fine during the week is just, I'm lucky enough to get enough time to clean the bathroom itself. So these little areas I tend to forget because they're like the tiniest corners and I really will be short of time. So I try to schedule out some time during the month to tackle these areas if I can. Know in the comment section below if you guys have got areas that you always forget to tackle, and you can give me some motivation. Maybe I have not tackled these areas in a long time. If you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more cleaning motivation and hacks to clean your home in a fast and efficient way, and sometimes some reviews. That's just the glue that's holding everything in place, so that's not dirt. And this is just, not sure what that is, but this is just the glue, so this is not dirt. But yeah, I think that's just discoloration maybe, but yeah. I'll now focus on some toys. And then I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes on all the trucks and all the cars to just soak up the disinfectant. With blocks, I find that it's a little bit more difficult to spray directly because then it might cause a bit of discoloration on the blocks themselves. So what I like to do, I just spray on a cloth like so, and then I just wipe, which is more of a daunting task, to be honest, because I have to do this individually to each block. But yeah, the things we do for our children. If there's a faster way to get this done, please let me know in the comment section below. I would be really grateful because yeah, doing this is quite a daunting task, to be honest, which is why I probably don't do it very often, and because everyone is currently sick. So I know for a fact that my son's been coughing all over these, and that's how the germs seem to be lingering a little bit longer than they should. So I thought I'd disinfect these today. So that's all the blocks now done and disinfected. I'm just going to leave them a little bit to get some fresh air. We've got the window wide open at the moment, so yeah, they can officially dry with some of the products still on them, which is completely fine because, you know, I did not directly spray onto them, but just a little bit, it should be perfectly fine. He does not eat these, so the whole purpose is just to make sure that they're disinfected. I'm going to focus on the mat itself because he plays quite a lot on here. Last but not least, windows. So during the week we open the windows to get some fresh air, but when was the last time we actually cleaned the windowsill or the window itself? So I'm just going to tackle that. And that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't for more content on how to clean your home in a fast and efficient way. Bye.